All right, good night, class. Tonight we are going to start a new unit, the unit number 1, Verb To Be. Verb To Be is the foundation of all of the other verbs. Many EL students, they are concerned about learning verbs, how difficult they are to learn or to remember verbs. But tonight we are going to be introducing the verb to be, and we are going to introducing how we talk. When we talk, we need three things. Those things are, the first one is what we call the subject. The second is what we call the verb. And the third is what we call the rest. So when we talk, we need three things: the subject, the verb, and the rest. And when you have these three things, you have what we call a sentence. And that's how we speak with other people. We make sentences. So three things we need to make a sentence: the subject, the verb, and the rest. Now, let's talk about the subject. The subject is the people, us. The verb is the action. So we have subject, people, verb, action, and then we have the rest. In other parts of the glove, some people call this the complement. I just call it the rest because that is the final part of your sentence. So, three things again: subject, verb, and the rest. As I said before, the subject are people. Yes, we have people as a singular, that means one. We covered that last week. And plural. So, the subject for the singular people are I, he, and she. For plural, we have you, we, and they. Those are the subjects. Now, the verb. For the verb to be, we have are, and is. Those three words that you must remember: are, and is. When we conjugate, that means we put them together, the subject and the verb, to clench, and that's we talk. We conjugate. We are gonna get the verb to be and the subject together, and that's how we are gonna make sentences. Yes, those sentences are the one that also you're gonna be making at the end of the unit. Example: I am your teacher. I am your friend. He, Pablo, is a student. She, Janet, is a lady. We are at school. They are Juan and Miguel. Those are the sentences that you are going to be making. So, at the end of the lesson 1, which is tonight, you will be able to make these kind of sentences. And the objective is for you to be able to write these simple sentences. Remember, three things that you need. You need a subject, you need a verb, and you need the rest. So the subject will be the people, and the verb will be the action. Tonight, the action is verb be. Now, once we have those three items, or these three things in place, we have sentences. And that is what we call in all the simple present. When we talk, when we talk, the verb is the part of the sentence that indicate when the action is happening. We can talk in the present if the verb, is in present. We can also talk if in the past, meaning the past, if the verb is in the past. Or we can also talk, in the future that something is going to happen if the verb is in the future. But now we are focusing in this course only on the simple present. That means that the action is happening now. The simple present is just a routine, something that you always do. You eat every day. I eat every day. I sleep every day. I go to work every day. You study. You come to class every day. So that is the simple present. That action is happening now. It's like saying it's a routine. So we are going to learn how to make sentences with the verb to be. We are going to learn about the subjects. We are going to learn about the verbs. We are going to conjugate these two. And the goal is for you to write sentences. Next class, we are going to do all of these, plus we are going to be working in asking questions. Because when we talk with friends, we ask questions, and we answer questions. So the objective of this unit is for you to be able to ask questions, answer those questions, and just be talk with your friends and your relatives. And that is so nice. So let's get to it. All right.